and today's topic is numbers, which I've done in the previous video. It is a continuation of the previous video. Before knowing all this formula, you have to know a thing, what is HK1 and HK2. If you are given a question like find the HCF and LCM of two numbers, then you have to use this kind of formulas. Let me tell you how to find HCF and LCM from the two numbers. For example, if you take 30 and 60, what is the HCF for 30 and 60? It's 30. So the HCF is 30, and if you see the LCM, it is 30 into 2, which is 60, which is the LCM. The HCF is 30 and the LCM is 60, where we have to split the term. N1 is equal to, what is the HCF for these two numbers? It's 30, which is 30 into 1. And what is the LCM of these two numbers, which is 30 into 2. When you split the numbers into this type, you have to make it as HK1 and HK2, which is this is H and this is K1, and this is H and this is K2. So we have found the HK1 and HK2. Now when you are told to find the product of the two numbers, after you knowing the N1 and N2, just multiply the two terms like HK1 and HK2. When you are told to find the LCM of two numbers, find N1 and N2, and you have to make use of this formula HK1 K2, where H is the common term, right? 30. So we are making here a common, like we will write in this thing like 30 is common, so K1 and K2. This is the LCM formula. And product, we have to find N1 and N2, and we have to make it as a product. Sum, after finding the two numbers of HCM and LCF, we have to find the sum, which is HK1 plus HK2. It is simple. When you find the HCF and LCM of two numbers and they are asked to find you the product, sum, LCM, just you have to sum it, you have to multiply it, and you have to make the term like this. And the third formula is 3 number divided by a divisor leaves the respective remainder. A 3 number like 1, 2, 3 is divided by a divisor, it gives the respective remainder, that is different remainder. That time you have to use this formula GD. It is a greatest divisor. Greatest divisor is equal to HCF flower bracket N1 minus R1. N1 is N1, N2, N2, the dividing 3 number, and R1, R2, R3 are the remainder 3 number. Flower bracket N1 minus R1, N2 minus R2, and N3 minus R3. You have to take HCF of these things and you'll get the answer for these type of question. 3 number divided by a divisor leaves the respective remainder, and you have to use this formula and you'll straight away get the answer. The next thing is similar to the thing before. 3 number divided by a divisor leaves the same remainder. When 3 number is divided by a number, gives the same remainder, which is 111. That time you have to use this formula, which is greater divisor is equal to HCF flower bracket. Here we use the modulus, like modulus N1 minus N2 comma modulus N2 minus N3, and that's it with the numbers. And I will tell you how to find the remainder when they are given a question. Find the remainder when they will be asking a question. I'll be continuing it in the next video. Stay tuned, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.